Yes, it's May 1. We're in KBL Church. This is Colleen, and I'm going to interview her. So, Colleen,
Oh, yes.
how you feel?
I feel very excited because, this is our first time to go out. Woo! Yes.
That's all?
And, I can't wait to go there in the Sun City and everything else whatsoever. Sarba-sarbaloo.
How about
You're
you?
singing. You're singing.
Speechless.
Excited ba?
Alam ko yan, napakabuti na yung job na nakilala na.
Amen.
Napakabuti na Panginoon sa buhay kita.
Napakabuti nyo.
Ito po,
Panginoon.
Kaya pinagpapala kayo. Napakabuti nyo.
God
ang
bless
aming
you,
driver since nauna hanggang ngayon. Michelin. Kaya dumadaming...
Kakaiba naman yung department.
Kaya dati kita rin natin
Ang taksi namin. So, this Roseanne. Roseanne, can you give me a smile? Yeah, like that. Like that. Yeah. Think she's third. I think you should ask 100 persons.
I'm your friend number.
No, I'm speechless too. The Kujan is taking an art. He's beautiful, facing us, facing the face.
Ay, astig.
Ano yun kaya?
Digital.
Mabalik.
Ay! Ano na?
Pwede ka mag-ano, pwede yung mga 1,000 lalagay mo.
Oh?
Pwede maglagay ng number dyan, no? There's 200.